Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another banger video. Welcome back to another beautiful day here in Dallas, Texas. It is Monday. It is almost the end of August, which means we only got like 3 to 4 months left of the entire year, which is crazy to say out loud, but it's early in the morning. As y'all can see, Texas looks beautiful in the morning. No clouds, no rain, none of that. But I think it's supposed to rain this week, but we're not gonna worry about that. But lo and behold, it is early in the morning. We are currently what's today's day actually? Let's see. Today's day is the 25th. Monday the 25th is 6:58 a.m. Currently in a trade right now. We are currently down. So right now we are down $70. This is on the pullback. We are looking for it to go to the upside right now. It's pulling back a little further than I want to. And also, I actually put like $60 into this Tango trade. We're gonna see what we can do with this. I'm gonna add some more money, but we're just gonna see what we can do with this. It's kind of just for fun, honestly. So just see what we can do with that. And then, but currently balance is now sitting at 2K. Yeah, so we're looking for the market to go up, honestly. Huge impulse. What was that, Friday? Huge impulse because of Jerome Powell spoke Friday to the upside. Price started to pull back with some consolidation. Still some consolidation. Now we're looking for it to go back to the upside because we know the market moves in 3 waves. Impulse, correction, continuation. So right now, let's just see. Yeah, this currently down. It's like $46. So we just look at the markets right now. Let's see what's going on. But y'all know me, I'm gonna keep y'all updated, locked in. Currently watching YouTube per usual. Watching something about black millionaires over in Atlanta. So that's kind of fire. But looking for a quick scalp on this move. Yeah, so we had price, or we got price pretty much consolidating in this area between these two purple lines. So price finally broke out of my purple line. I hate when this moves. Price finally moved on my purple line. And let's see. Yeah, price moved on my purple line. Broke, now retesting. Now we're looking forward to head up to the upside. Quick scalp 2 to 1, nothing too crazy. We are currently in the uptrend right now. Price is still going up. As y'all can see, price still going up. So we're kind of just looking for that to happen, play out. But nothing too crazy, down $44. Yeah, so nothing too crazy, but we just kind of looking at that right now. Simple Monday. I'll take this quick scalp, probably get out, but I'm looking forward to head to the upside, at least to the most recent highs is what we're looking for. We would like it to go at least here to the most recent highs, but I know the price probably not gonna get up that high today. But if it do, I'll be happy. If not, it is what it is. But we got price probably going, still down like $16. So yeah, I'll just let y'all know what happens as the morning goes on. Nothing too crazy though. So we are going to see what happens. All right, boys, so trade update. So I had to actually switch my position because I was reading the charts wrong. And that happens sometimes when you're trading and you don't look at the picture or you're not looking as you should. But I ended up having to get into a sale. I got out my position, lost $200, but ended up having to get into a sale, floating $105. I seen that it was giving me a double top for the sell-off, so I was like, oh my God. And I didn't pay attention, but now that I'm trading again, I'm like, oh my goodness. So I had got out that position, took the L, re-looked at the situation, adjusted the situation, and then I got into the sell position. So I'm looking forward to honestly hit my trend line. Currently floating around like $80. But like I said, happens all the time when you don't double check your work, triple check your work. So currently in sales positions. Let's check on the other account because I had to do the same thing. So currently floating 83 cents or $1. So yeah. But like I said, it happens all the time when you don't pay attention or you're not locked in like you should be. That's why I like to get up a little early so I could be kind of locked in and tuned in on what's going on. But, you know, didn't look all the way, didn't pay attention. But we're currently in this trade still. Looking forward to hit the floor. 115, and then on the other account, probably like $1 or something. I'm just playing with that kind of money to see what I can do with it, what we can turn it into. So currently $1.25, $1.30, nothing too crazy. Yeah, so we're just letting this run and do its thing. All right, boys. So trade ended up playing out. Jeez, Louise, this thing always. I gotta get a new camera, y'all. I might have to buy me a camera this year again. Trade actually ended up playing out, y'all. It hit full TP. We made 188, 200. So kind of made our money back from a little bit. We made a little bit of profit and made our money back also. So currently price is doing its thing. Look, it's about to do another break and retest to the downside prior to these lows. I'm guessing, if I had to think, prior to these lows, break and retest. So looking at that, see what that's about to do. But yeah, nothing too crazy. Made a little bit of profit, lost a little bit of capital, made back some profit. So good day, good Monday. Markets are still choppy from the weekend. There's still a lot of consolidation. As you can see, lows is a consolidation from that huge impulse from Friday, which is when Powell had spoke. A lot of people had caught this move. I actually caught this move too. I made like $850 that day, which is crazy to think. Because honestly, I hate trading around news. I do not like to trade news. But the market was letting me know that it wanted to go up. So we caught that move. A lot of people caught this move Friday. I was looking at my stories. So many people caught this move, whether it was on NAS or whether it was on Gold. A lot of people caught this move. So make 800 Friday, today, 8, 9. So I made like $1,000 in 2 days, literally, which is crazy to think. So $800, $1,000 in like 2 days. I'm not mad at it at all. And like people try to go for like $1,000 days, but honestly, man, if you can figure out how to do $1,000 in 2 days, I'm not mad at that. Ain't nothing wrong with $1,000 in 2 days. If you're being perfectly honest, like it's so if you got $1,000 a day for 20 days, that's 20K. Half of that is 10K. I'm not mad at that at all. That's 10K a month from the comfort of your house or your bedroom. Like, as dog over here, he better go to work. He's on his way to work. He better get in his car, sit in traffic, go to work, listen to somebody else, tell him what to do about his life, and you know, I'm just sitting here on the balcony looking at everybody do their thing. But like I said, everybody's not built for this. I'm not saying a job is bad. I think you need a job to begin with. I don't think you should have a job forever. And people get the misconstruction of job and career. Like, people go to jobs just to make money and just to stay afloat. If you're in a career, that's totally different than a job. A job is usually just to get by. A career, that's a totally different thing when you get to move up, expand your knowledge, get around other people, maybe go and have your own private practice or something like that, like along those lines. So, yeah, that's totally different than a job and a career, honestly, in my personal opinion. So, that's just me. But, yeah. So, good overall day. I had gotten to that break and retest sell on this small account. So, yeah, so it's currently here. It's playing around down like $2. We actually had close profit on that last trade. We had close profit at like $3 and some change or something. I don't know. Well, let's see if I can actually see it. Yeah. So remember I told you we was down at first, so we were down 3, then I made my 3 back, and now we're currently down 56 cents. I'll probably add some more money to this, but I honestly was just bored just doing stuff. So I put like $60 into an account, and I'm just playing with it, just see what I can do. Cause I never traded it with low capital, a lot. When I first started, I think I traded like $100, $150, but I never traded with low capital, knowing what to do. And honestly, it's kind of hard. Well, not hard, because a trade is a trade, so I ain't gonna say it's hard. But I ain't gonna lie, seeing these kind of numbers, I don't know, I don't think I'm gonna do this no more. Because it's like, I don't know, it messes with my psychology a little bit. It's like 56 cents, what I'm gonna do with that? Even though that's not what this is about, it's kind of just me just throwing some extra money into an account when I could just do it in my main account. But I don't know, I think I was just doing stuff. So, yeah. So nothing crazy there, but like I said, we're just looking to see if this play out or whatever happens with that, happens with that. But currently watching Lil Baby music videos. Everybody know Lil Baby and Drake are probably my favorite too. Yeah. But today is a Monday. I have calls to do throughout the day. I will probably hit the trail possibly at some point today. Probably talk to Josh today. I feel like I haven't talked to him for real. Like I said, bro, I had a talk with Adriana. We're gonna go look at her some apartments this week, cause she plans on moving at the top of the year. So we're gonna get that settled and squared away. We got GAT coming up, Christmas coming up, Miami coming up, so we got things to do. So yeah, man, it's locked in. I'm really in the cave with it. Monday through Friday, I'm in the cave. Y'all probably see me out with Adriana or with the boys on the weekends. But Monday through Friday, I am locked in, all work, all gas, no break. But I will see y'all tomorrow on the next banger video. And grind hard, stay true to you. Not bless. Pray up, stay prayed up. God did. Hallelujah. Thank you, Jesus. And I'll see y'all on the next banger video. Peace.